What's up, y'all? It is New Tech, No God, and I'm back at it again. What's really bothering me is that people are gonna miss out on these digital assets off the fact that they cannot pull themselves together and actually see the future of digital assets. I had to check my connection to see if it's working, and it's working pretty good. Shout out to all the investors out there. Today we're finna get ready and dive straight into this content that I like the most, which is cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and dive a little deeper. Please hit that like notification button. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, nor I'm not trying to be, but I am tracking the future, and I believe that we have foresight. And if you are in on these digital assets, I'm pretty sure you have foresight and you can see a digital future worth investing in. So let's go ahead and dive straight into these numbers right here. As we can see, this cryptocurrency did pump some more. It is up 6%. And like I said a couple days ago, that I don't think that this cryptocurrency is going to go down. Honestly, the last time it was down, it was consolidating at a good level, and I think it's doing the exact same thing. But what we want to really look at is that Ethereum price, which I did believe in 2025, that this price is going to accelerate beyond numbers that people did not expect. That's just my personal opinion. I am bullish on Ethereum. Moving over here, the 25 most valuable assets in the world. Gold is number one, but we already know, if I scroll down just a little bit, we see Bitcoin sitting at 18. Okay, every one, you see it right here, America, and then you see other companies owned by somebody else. I'm not familiar with that right there. I don't know if it's Saudi Arabia or not, but what I'm saying is nothing right there. There's no American flag, anything. Bitcoin is backed mostly by the people, but I believe that there is government involved. We will head over to that a little bit more, but what got me more excited is the fact is that cryptocurrency is going to be one of the top ranking, and it already is, and I believe that they can push, I believe, to the top 10. I mean, because it's been rapidly growing right now. When it comes down to these keys with digital assets, it's almost like our homes at this point, because they know how secure you need to keep your stuff and how valuable this stuff really is. I talked about the QR codes. We've been seeing QR codes back in the 90s. Okay, this stuff is a real thing. QR codes are becoming more common for payments, and it's way easier, way more efficient, direct, straightforward, right there. Okay, I'd be looking to use a QR code throughout my day when I'm going to make certain types of payments, which make these payments way quicker and efficient. If anybody out there that has digital assets, I believe that you are well on your way to a great financial choice, because it's for a fact that within the next 2 decades, they're going to rapidly continue to keep on growing, and I believe that it can hit the top 10. QR codes are currently being used in theaters, at theme parks, you name it, wherever you go. And people had this speculation where people were actually scared of this stuff back in the day when they were talking about the dark web and stuff, but there was nothing to really be feared here. Okay? The only thing to fear is to miss out on some digital assets, which I do believe that we've been seeing cryptocurrency pump. I'm talking about every single last crypto. Moving along here, Bitcoin and the ATMs inside those gas stations. Majority of people seen these, they walk past them. I did not walk past them. I took my time. I checked them out. I researched them. If you look between one of my videos back in the day, you can see me on the short hugging one of these ATM machines. You know what? Let me go to my YouTube channel and let me go ahead and search it up, because I want to show y'all that I was hugging on a Bitcoin machine way back in the day when I talked about this stuff. And there was a lot of non-believers out there, okay? But there's nothing not to believe here. Nintendo God, Bitcoin machine. Oops, look at that spelling wrong. Can't see nothing, golly. I don't know if it's gonna pull it up, but yeah, I knew it. If you can see the future and you can foresight it, there you go right there. That's me. Look at that.
this. Now she know I'm up cause I drip like this. I've been through too much just to live like this. I've been through too much just this.
Look at that. Hitting back over. I'm not trying to go off topic or nothing like that, but there it goes. Bitcoin writing them all. They told us. Okay? Now, yes, cash is considered an asset, but the thing is, we know that it was a lot of thievery, a lot of things that was happening back in the day, theft. Okay? But now I think that digital assets got a lot of that stuff under control. Do you know how hard it is to go get somebody cryptocurrency? It's almost like you can't get it at all. This stuff is protected with cash. You can easily tear, you can easily lose it, you can easily get it taken, right? I had a landlord that kicked me out, tried to take all my assets, but guess what? They couldn't because it was inside of a digital wallet. There was no way they can get into this wallet, okay? And that's why I had to go and be an owner. Go ahead, moving along, let's check it out. Talking about fiat money. The fiat money has something to do with government, and I see that. So the minute that you do trade your cryptocurrency or your assets, 9 times out of 10, it's going to no longer be an asset after you sell it because it goes into the cash part, right? So then I believe that's when they start really tracking it. There's going to be a lot of movement when it comes to digital assets. And I say this specifically, this part right here, you do not want to miss at all. Disney on Mars, Frontier, check this out. They want to make it on Mars. And we know Dogelon Mars is associated with Mars. So anything that's associated with that, I believe, can potentially drive up the price. Now, what I wanted to see right here, what was really interesting to me is right here, is Disney Coin. Disney World talks about making a cryptocurrency by 2027, which makes me believe even further about the digital market. This extends cryptocurrency to furthermore because Disney is playing a part inside of their game to be able to have some cryptocurrency. So that makes the decade expand. So now we're going like 4 more decades because Disney is one of the largest companies in the world. Let's go back to that wheel. I don't know for sure if I've seen Disney up there or not, but I'm pretty sure it's making its way around. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's making its way up there because everybody knows about Disney, right? So what I'm saying is get ready and be prepared because them numbers right there gonna keep on pushing forward. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, but I truly do believe in Dogelon Mars, and I don't see any negative about it at all. It's been going straight up ever since. It's been holding steady. You know, a lot of people can feel bearish about it, but where's the bear market at? Because I've seen cryptocurrencies with almost no utility, no missions at all, and they push forward without it. Dogelon Mars is here to stay on the Crypto.com application. I'm proud to be a crypto holder, and I got a lot more information for you guys, and I hope that y'all all got something from this content, and I will continue to keep on making content and talk about things that not a lot of content creators will be talking about, and I'm going to be going more in depth with something. I got a surprise for this next video that I want to go ahead and talk about, man. I hope that y'all all enjoy my content. Please leave likes. Go ahead and push this out forward. Until we meet again, I am Nintendo God, bring y'all latest content on digital assets and cryptocurrency. I hope that y'all all had a great day and make the best investments, bro. And I'm out. Peace.